Hello everyone. Today we have to start exercise 4.2, chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. Right? In our previous class, we studied about linear equation, means an equation through which we can draw a line, or we can say linear equation means the maximum power or the degree of any of the term is 1. Degree of the polynomial equation is 1 or maximum power is 1. Right? So in our previous class we did standard form of linear equation in two variables, that was ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Means first of all we have to write the term of x, then we have to write the term of y, and then we have to write the constant term. Right? So today we are going to start exercise 4.2 with our first question. Your first question is y is equal to 3x plus 5 has. You are given three options and we have to write the answer. We have to choose any one correct answer. Now the equation is y is equal to 3x plus 5. This is linear equation because the maximum power of the variables is 1. Y की power भी 1 है, x की power भी 1 है. So this is linear equation in two variables because we have two variables x and y. Right? How many solutions can we have for this equation? Yesterday in our previous class also we did that we can get infinite number of solutions of such equation. How? If we put any value of x, if we take at the place of x 0, then we will get y is equal to 5. That means one of the solution will be 0, 5. Means x is 0, y is 5, abscissa is 0, ordinate is 5. So this is one of the solution. Similarly, you can take x is equal to 2, you can take x is equal to 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, any number of values of x you can take. Other than that, we can assume the value of y also, right? It's your choice whatsoever you want to write, whatsoever you want to take, whether you want to go with the value of x or you want to opt any value of y. If you take y is equal to 0 in this equation, then what you will get? 3x plus 5. So you will get 3x is equal to minus 5, means x is equal to minus 5 upon 3. ये 3 आपका नीचे आ गया. चाहे आप इधर लिखें या यहाँ लिखें, it does not make any difference. Right? So what other solution will be x value is minus 5 by 3, means our abscissa is minus 5 by 3, and coordinate we assumed to be 0. So this is also the solution, right? So we can get infinite number of solutions of this equation. So what you have to keep in mind is it depends on the number of equations and number of variables. If you have one equation, two variables, infinite solution. If you will have two equations and three variables, then also infinite solutions you will have, right? But if you have one equation, one variable, then one solution means unique solution, right? वो आप generally कर ही चुके हो कि अगर आपके पास ये 3x plus 5 is equal to y ना हो गई, यहाँ पर अगर 7 होता तो आपकी x की एक यूनिक वैल्यू आती, यूनिक सोल्यूशन आता. उस केस में आप 5 को इधर शिफ्ट कर देते हैं, फिर 3 को आप नीचे ले आते हैं, देन x की वैल्यू आपके पास हो जाती 2/3, right? In that case you are having only one solution, unique solution, but you have two variables, so we will have infinite solutions of this equation. So from our three options we are going to write the answer. First option is unique solution, only two solutions, and infinite many solutions. So our answer is third part, that is infinite many solutions, right? Now we are coming to the second question. Write any four solutions of any of the equation. You are given one equation, three parts are given. I have taken the first part. In this equation, how many solutions will be there? Again, this is one equation in two variables. So there will be infinitely many solutions, and we just have to write only four solutions out of those infinite solutions, right? So how we will find out the solutions? It again depends on the value whichsoever you are assuming, whether you want to go with the value of x, you want to assume the value of x, or you want to assume the value of y. It's totally your choice. So I have assumed here the value of x. मैंने x को 0 assume किया है. My equation is this. I have started the solution from here. 2x plus y is equal to 7. I have given it equation number 1. Now in this equation, I have taken x is equal to 0. It's our choice. Whatsoever we want to assume, we will. When you take x is equal to 0, what you will get? In this equation, I am putting 2 multiply 0 plus y is equal to 7. Right? Now this term will become 0. 2 multiply 0 is 0. What you will left with? Y is equal to 7. Right? So our solution will be abscissa x, you have taken 0, and the value of y you see is 7. So one of the solutions, the first solution is 0, 7. Next, to find out the next solution, now I am assuming x is equal to 1 in the same equation, right? If you take x is equal to 1, it will become 2 multiply 1 plus y is equal to 7. 2 multiply 1 plus y is equal to 7. Now 2 multiply 1 is 2. Shift the 2 on the other side. It will become 7 minus this 2. 7 minus 2 is 5, right? So जब आपने x को 1 put किया, आपका y 5 आया. x 1, y 5, right? So abscissa 1, ordinate 5. So our next solution, second solution is 1, 5, right? For the third solution, now I have taken the value of y. Again, I am saying it's your choice. Whatsoever the value you want to take, you can. आपको लगता है अगर आपको x की वैल्यूज ही लेनी चाहिए, आप वो भी ले सकते हैं. अगर आपको लगता है सारी वैल्यूज आपने y की लेनी है, then you can go with the values of y only, right? I have taken y is equal to 0 in the same equation. 2x plus y is equal to 7. Now y की जगह पे आप 0 put कर रहे हैं, so you will get 2x plus 0 is equal to 7, right? 0 को आप हटा दीजिए, you will get 2x is equal to 7, means x is equal to 7 upon 2, right? 7 upon 2 means 3.5, right? X की value 3.5, y की value 0, abscissa 3.5, ordinate 0, right? So solution is 3.5, 0, right? So I have written here 3 solutions, 0, 7, 1, 5 and 3.50, but you have to write 4 solutions. So you will find out the fourth solution yourself, right? You can assume any value of x. आप x 0 और 1 ले चुके हैं. You can take now x is equal to 2 to get the other solution, right? For your convenience, I am doing second part also because there is pi in the question. The question is pi x plus y is equal to 9. Now this is the equation. This is the second part of second question. Assume x is equal to 0, right? If you put x is equal to 0, you will get pi multiply 0 plus y is equal to 9. Means 0 plus y is 9 because 0 multiplies something is 0. So y is equal to 9. What is the first solution? First solution, abscissa 0, ordinate 9. So your first solution is 0, 9. Now for the second solution, we are putting x is equal to 1. If you take x is equal to 1, you will get pi multiply 1 plus y is equal to 9. What is pi multiply 1? This is pi plus y is equal to 9, right? Y will be equal to 9. Y को आप इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे 9 minus 5, right? So your solution is what? X you assumed as 1 and y is 9 minus 5, right? So your solution is 1, 9 minus 5. Similarly, you have to find out. Similarly, we have to find out the other solution. You will take x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. You will keep on getting the solutions. When you take x is equal to 2, you will get y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi, right? When you will put. So your third solution will be 2 into 9 minus 2 pi. Now you may ask, ma'am, can't we take the value of y in this question? We are assuming x is equal to 0, 1, 2. Can't we assume the values of y? Of course, you can assume the value of y also. सो एक वैल्यू हम y की भी पुट कर लेते हैं, राइट? लेट मी पुट y is equal to 1. What we will get? Pi x plus 1 is equal to 9. So pi x is equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8. So you will get x is equal to 8 upon pi. Means the solution is FC is the ordinate. 8 upon pi and 1, right? Here you must see that we are not putting the value of pi as 22 upon 7, right? You can do the question as it is without putting the value, right? Most of the questions, इस तरह के जितने भी questions हैं, in those questions if you are given the value of pi, then only we will put the value. Otherwise, we can write pi as it is, right? In the questions of measurement, when we will find out the area of any of the thing in which pi is used, we will use the value of pi according to the value whatsoever is given to us in the question, whether that is 22 upon 7 or 3.14, right? But in this question, the value of pi is not given to you. So we can write pi as it is, as 9 minus pi, 9 minus 2 pi, 8 upon pi, right? So this was second part of second question, right? Now we are coming to the third question. Your third question is, check whether the following are the solutions of the given equation or not. The given equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Third question. First part is you have to check whether 0, 2 is the solution of this equation or not. ये इस इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन है या नहीं है. दैट मींस अगर इस इक्वेशन का हम ग्राफ ड्रॉ करें, आपको पहले भी बताया था, अगर लीनियर इक्वेशन है तो उससे हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, व्हिच वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. इसकी हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सपोज दिस इज द लाइन, राइट? ये पॉइंट इसका सॉल्यूशन तब होगा जब ये पॉइंट इस लाइन के ऊपर आ जाएगा, राइट? 0, 2. वैसे तो आपका you just have to check whether this point lies on this line or not, whether this point is the solution of this equation or not, right? So solution आप कैसे चेक करेंगे? जब आप x की जगह 0, y की जगह पे 2 पुट करेंगे, right? If you get your left hand side to be equal to right hand side, that means this will be the solution of this equation. Otherwise, this will not be the solution of the equation, right? So to check whether this is the solution or not, we are putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2 in equation 1. We are taking this as equation number 1. At the place of x, let me put 0 minus 2 multiply y is 2 is equal to 4. 0 आपका कट गया, right? Now what is left? Minus 2 into 2, 4 is equal to 4. Are they both equal? Values. The absolute value is equal, but the signs are totally different, right? Means one is on the right side of the 0 origin on the number line, or yes, on the number line, and the other is on the left side of the origin, right? So these two values are not equal. Because left hand side is not equal to right hand side, you will write left hand side not equal to right hand side. So what? 0, 2 is not the solution of given equation, right? Similarly, you have to do other parts also. In the second part, you are given the value to be 2 and 0, and here you are given 2, here it is 0. फिर आप x की जगह पे 2 पुट करोगे, y की जगह पे 0 पुट करोगे, you will get 2 is equal to 4. वो भी solution नहीं आएगा, right? Here I have one part in roots, root 2 and 4 root 2. वो आपकी convenience के लिए मैं कर देती हूँ. Otherwise, rest of the parts you have to do yourself, right? Your fourth part is root 2 and 4 root 2. We have to check whether this is the solution of this equation or not, right? So we have to put the value of x root 2, and at the place of y we have to put 4 root 2, right? So let me put the value. X is equal to root 2 and y is equal to 4 root 2 in first equation. you will get root 2 minus 2 into, at the place of y we have to put 4 root 2. This is equal to, this must be equal to 4. Now this is root 2 minus 2 4s are 8. 8 root 2, this is equal to 4. How many root 2 are here? कुछ नहीं है, means there is 1. यहाँ पर एक root 2 है, यहाँ पर कितने root 2 हैं? -8, right? So total अगर आप करेंगे तो कितने root 2 हो गए? एक ये रहा, -8 ये रहे, टोटल कितने हो गए? 1 minus 8 is -7. So total हमारे पास कितने root 2 बचे? -7 root 2 is equal to 4. Are the two equal? No, ये दोनों equal नहीं है, right? So again, left hand side is not equal to right hand side, means this is not the solution of the given equation, right? ये पॉइंट क्लियर होना चाहिए. यहाँ पर रूट 2 1 है, यहाँ पर रूट 2 -8 है, तो 1 minus 8 is -7. और what you can do, इन दोनों में से रूट 2 आप कॉमन निकाल लो. रूट 2 जैसे ही आप यहाँ से कॉमन निकालेंगे, you will get 1 minus 8, and 1 minus 8 is -7 root 2, right? So -7 root 2 is not equal to 4. So the given point is not the solution of the given equation, right? Next, the last part of this exercise is last question. You are given an equation, but something is missing in the equation. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to k, right? इसके साथ साथ they are saying we have to find out the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. This is the solution. In previous question ये हमसे पूछ रहे थे कि आप चेक कीजिए whether the given points are the solution or not, right? But in this question they are saying that yes, they are the solutions. If they are the solutions, means if we put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, आपकी left side और right side equal आनी चाहिए, right? Left and right side they must be equal if you put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, right? So let me put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in first equation, right? So you will get 2 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply 1, this is equal to k. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3, this is equal to k. 4 plus 3 is 7, so we have the value of k as 7. आपने k की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी थी. k की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए ये गिवन था that this is the solution. So we have put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in this equation, right? 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So the value of k is 7, right? This is your exercise 4.2, which you have to do in your notebooks, and you have to practice other questions as well. Right, now coming to exercise 4.3. First question is draw the graph of the following equations. अभी तक हम सिर्फ बात कर रहे थे कि ये पॉइंट डिस्प्लाई करेगा या नहीं करेगा, इसके फोर सॉल्यूशंस क्या होंगे. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ग्राफ, राइट? आपको एक इक्वेशन गिवन है, उसका आपने ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है, राइट? The equation, let me take the first question, first part, x plus y is equal to 4, right? अब आपको यहाँ पर क्या करना है, जैसे आपने प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज में दो 4 solutions find out किए थे. Here there is no need to find out the 4 solutions, we will find only 2 solutions, right? और इसको पूरा एक्सप्लेन भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप करना चाहे कर सकते हैं, otherwise you can directly make the table, right? टेबल जब आप ड्रॉ करेंगे then you will take x and y, right? We have to write the solutions. अगर आप यहाँ पे x को अपनी मर्जी से कुछ भी assume कर लीजिए, I am taking x is equal to 0. If I take x is equal to 0, what will I get? 0 है तो हट गया. What will I get? Y is equal to 4. So if x is 0, I'll get y is equal to 4, right? And I need another value also. Then I assume y is equal to 0. ठीक है? It is not always necessary that you will get good solution, good value by putting just x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. It will be your choice कि आप ऐसी value put करें जिससे जो आपका next value आए वो ऐसी आए जिसको आप ग्राफ पे easily draw कर सकें, right? So in this question I am taking y is equal to 0. As you take y is equal to 0, तो आपकी ये term खत्म, you will get x is equal to 4. X will be 4, right? So I have now 2 points. One of the point is 0, 4. Other point is 4, 0. Now what I have to do? I have to draw the graph. Graph कैसे बनाएं? आपके पास एब्सिसा और ऑर्डिनेट दोनों हैं, so we will have to take both the axes, x-axis and y-axis, right? At the equal gaps. बेटा ये आप ग्राफ पे ड्रॉ करोगे, ठीक है? प्रॉपर गैप उसमें आपको गिवन होते हैं. दिस इज द ओरिजिन, और वहां पे आप पॉइंट्स लोगे अपने इस वैल्यूज के अकॉर्डिंग, जो आपको सारे पॉइंट इसके ऊपर इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाए. And make sure that you are taking the gaps to be equal and the numbers are also at the equal interval, right? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे 0 4 ले लिया, उसके बाद अगर मैं यहाँ पे 2 ले लेती हूँ और अगली वैल्यू मैं किसी तरह से 3 ले लेती हूँ, तो ये नहीं है कि आपने 0 2 और 3 ही लेने हैं. आपके गैप सारे इक्वल होने चाहिए, नंबर्स भी इक्वल इंटरवल पर आने चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं कह रही हूँ मैंने 1 लिया, 2 लिया, 3 लिया, 4 लिया, 5 लिया, सब जगह पे 1 1 का गैप है. अगर मैं नीचे 2 4 6 8 लेती हूँ तो मेरा 2 2 का गैप है, राइट? आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि यहाँ 2 ले लो, फिर 3 ले लो, फिर 8 ले लो, फिर 9 ले लो, फिर 10 ले लो, फिर 15 ले लो. This will be wrong, right? You have to take all the numbers at equal gap, right? So here I am taking, as per the demand of the question, I am taking the gap of 1 1, right? I have to represent the point 0 4, means when x is 0, y is 4, right? Next point is 4 0. पहले आपने 4 steps move कर रहे हैं horizontal direction from the origin, and then you have to move 0 step in the vertical direction, right? Origin से 4 steps चलने हैं, right? Horizontally यहाँ पहुंच गए, फिर आपने इससे ऊपर नीचे चलना होता है इतने steps, but 0 step का means you do not have to move, so this will be your point 4 0, right? Now we have 2 points and 2 points are sufficient to draw the line, right? So what you will do? You will join these 2 points and you are getting the graph of your equation, right? यहाँ पर बेटा आप सिर्फ numbers ले रहे हो, यहाँ पर भी सिर्फ number ले रहे हो, तो इस question में हमें scale लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Scale we will write in those questions जहाँ पर हमें यहाँ पर कुछ value given हो, right? For example, अगर डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ है, यहाँ पे आप डिस्टेंस ले रहे हो, यहाँ टाइम ले रहे हो, उस केस में आप स्केल लिखोगे, बट यहाँ पर आपको कोई क्वांटिटी गिवन नहीं है, राइट? नो एनी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी इज गिवन, यू आर हैविंग जस्ट द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई. आपके पास सिर्फ एक्स और वाई है, बट आपको ये नहीं पता कि एक्स क्या है और वाई क्या है, राइट? अगर हमें पता होगा कि एक्स क्या चीज है, एक्स इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ पेन, वाई इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक, तो हम लिखेंगे इस केस में scale, right, which we have written in our previous class. Clear? So this is how we have to draw the graph. Other graphs you are going to draw yourself, right? एक आपको सिर्फ लास्ट पार्ट की टेबल बना के दिखा देते हैं. Your last part is 3 is equal to 2x plus y, right? इसमें आपको फिर से टेबल बनानी है. You just have to go with 2 values of x and y. I am taking x is equal to 0. जैसे मैं x is equal to 0 ले लेती हूँ, मेरी पूरी टर्म हो गई 0, because 0 multiplied 2 is 0 plus y is equal to 3. तो मेरे पास क्या बच गया? ये 0 तो हट गया. What I am left with? Y is equal to 3, right? So one of my solution is 0 3. Then I have to assume another value of x or y. Y is equal to 0 ले लेते हैं. अगर ये 0 है, then I get 2x is equal to 3. What will be the value of x? ये आपकी टर्म खत्म हो गई. 2 will come here and it will be 3 upon 2. And what is 3 upon 2? 3 upon 2 is 1.5. So your next point will be x is 1.5 and y we had taken 0, right? And you have to represent this on your graph, right? So this way you have to complete the graphs, right? I am ending the session here. Thank you and have a nice day.